Unboxing time! Ooh. This is the Motorola G86 Power 5G. It's got Dolby Atmos, Gorilla Corning glass. Actually, it's got up to, I think it was IP96 grading. That means it's sort of military grading. And here you can see it is, if we can't see, yeah, we can exactly see. It's the Cosmic Sky or Lilac. Cosmic Sky, Lilac, or Violet Blue. Violet Blues. It's the Cosmic Sky, Lilac, or Violet. And it comes with this insane configuration of 8 gigs of RAM plus 512 gigabytes of storage. You can even tell there's a production date of the 15th of July 2025. Let's unbox this. I'm very much looking forward to this because it is that lilac color. Oh, we actually need an unboxing knife just for once, or scissors. We've gotten so used to just having pulling strips, so let's do this. If the sun all of a sudden comes into this, that is because it's in the morning. And of course, here on the back side, you can see the various colors, and you can see the most important thing about this whole phone, in my opinion, that is the super extended battery. 6,720 milliampere battery. That is quite insane. Underwater advanced drop protection. We don't want to do that. Let's do this now. Suave. Let's just put the phone itself aside for 1 minute and take a look at what you get in the package. Of course, this being in the EU, you don't get a charger in the box anymore. Just this simple USB-C to USB-A cable. That's actually brilliant because most of the old chargers you will have lying around uses this old USB-A type connector. So that is a plus in my book. Then you have the leaflets, you have the SIM card ejection tool. Let's just see it. Some legal safety instruction and a quick start guide, of course. You should read that first if you are new to this phone. I, as an advanced phone user, am not going to read this. And here you have the EU rating. It gets an A, which of course is the best and most brilliant. Come back to that drop protection promise. It's actually graded to be like a military standard. So that means if you buy a cover also, you will be very, very good to go with this phone. Now let's put these things aside and take a look at the beast itself. It comes, you don't have to buy a cover. It comes with a mounted cover. So you're actually very much set to go right off the bat. Ooh, and you got this excellent feeling backside. This is almost like threaded or knitted backside, and then again you have this promise of the big battery, and there came the sun. But let's do the peeling right here in the sun. Suave. I just love unboxings and peelings. On the sides you have a power button, you have volume up and down, you have nothing at the top besides a noise cancelling microphone, I believe, and on the side you have the SIM card tray. At the bottom you have a speaker, USB-C, and another microphone. So that is very basic. It's a very basic setup, but now comes the brilliant thing about this phone also. It's got a 7300 MediaTek processor inside of this, and that's the same that goes into the top line phones of the Motorola Edge 60 series. Actually, the basic Motorola Edge 60 and the X60 Fusion also have that exact chip. So now you see that for the first time in a G series phones. That is most brilliant in my opinion. So you got that great chip, you got that great battery, you got that great durability. What is not to like? Well, I'll tell you that in another video. Let's just have a little bit of look at this cover. It doesn't smell of anything, but it's most certainly some reused plastics because I can see a little bit of turtle in there. No, of course not. And environmentally friendly reused plastics, of course. No evidence of any Leonardo or shelling of the Ninja Turtles in here at all. So there you go. 1 year of Android updates only. But 3 years of security updates. So Thank you for watching. My name is Brian from Denmark, and see you in the next video.